Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV, and today we're doing another Tool Bag Tuesday. What I have for you are some Scotch-Brite, which I realize is a brand, but some fiber discs. And these are imported from China. FPPO is the company, and it's not sponsored. It is just something that I actually saw them on the Fab Forums, Kyle Voss's channel. I use them for strip and paint. These things have worked really well. I've got some green and some red, which what I've got here are 180 grit for the green ones and 240 grit for the red ones. And I haven't even used the green ones yet. The red ones have worked so well, but we're going to try them both today and just show you a little bit about them. They fit a 4.5 inch grinder with a 7/8 inch arbor hole, and that's right there on a Harbor Freight grinder. So far they work really well. They've lasted. I've used this one and part of another red one on the Scout, some other projects. The reseller advertises them for polishing and grinding and scouring, doing woodwork or whatever. All I've used them for is rust removal and paint removal, and they've worked like champions. I've tried wire wheels and everything. You guys have been watching the Scout project. Seen me try all kinds of stuff, getting the Bondo and other things out of there. But anyway, 5 of these. The green one's 180 grit. They're $12.99, so 13 bucks for 5. You're spending what, just a little over $2 a piece. And the red ones are $13.99, so a little bit more. But they also sell them in 120 grit and 320 grit, which I have not tried either of. Links are in the description. Please like and subscribe, and we'll take you over to Scout and show you how well they work. So what we're doing is just going to use the 2 different, I'm calling them Scotch-Brite pads, fiber polishing pads, whatever you want to call them. We're just going to use them, knock a little paint off this door. And I did this over here with, I think, a wire brush or maybe a flat disc, and there is a little bit of Bondo in the door. We'll use the red one first. There you go. I don't know exactly how long that was, but I would guess about 30 seconds. The metal does get a little warm, so you do have to be careful. I'm not using any pressure. That's just the pad doing the work. You can see it's really no worse for the wear. And let's give the green one a try, because it should cut a little faster. If I had to pick one, I'd pick red. They say, the green does say, I looked at the package, the green does say it's 180 grit. Obviously it does not cut as well as the red, which say they are 240 grit. The other thing I noticed is in the pictures, the 180 grit also has this piece of what I'm guessing is sandpaper between them, and the 320 grit green do not. So I'm wondering if these were mispackaged as 180 grit and they're actually 320, because that's cutting like 320 versus 240, not 180 versus 240. And like I said, in the picture they show the 180 grit having this piece of sandpaper in between the different pads versus just being all pad. Either way, I'll find a use for the green ones. I like the red ones. These are the ones I've been using, and I will continue to use to clean up stuff like this or the fenders. And there you go. You get to see how well they work if you get the right one. Well, that's it for today. I would suggest buying the red ones, the 240 grit. I want to thank you for joining me today. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Check out the links in the description below. They're all Amazon affiliate links. We do make a little money for this for the channel. And I'll see you next time on Tool Bag Tuesday.